So is it possible to work in the field of data if you don't have a tech degree, or maybe you don't have a programming experience? So can you get into data analytics or maybe data science? Is it possible? Well, the answer is yes, it is possible. You can get involved in data analytics even if you don't have typical programming degree, if you don't know programming language. If I talk about data analytics is all about problem solving, right? So we should know what we are trying to achieve. So you can achieve that using a programming language, or maybe you can achieve that using a tool. So to begin with, if you want to make your career in data analytics or maybe data science, your best friend would be Power BI and Excel. So these are the two most typical softwares or maybe typical tools that are widely used for analytics. Some advanced analytics require programming language because it's easier to solve those issues with a programming language, because maybe, for example, a tool may not have that capability to solve a very critical problem. So at that time, maybe we use programming language, but still there are options available at this moment in the market. If you're good in Python, Java, or any kind of programming language, it's great, but if you don't have, still it's fine, you will survive. So, and also you can get into data analytics. Excel is basic, so if you want to make your foundation strong, start with Excel. Try to learn Excel formulas, then try to see how you can cleanse the data and how you can create tables, how bar charts, pie charts, they work, and like what's the theory behind it. So how do you make those graphs? So you should know that, right? So well, and then Power BI is an advanced version of it. So Power BI is actually helpful when you are trying to get massive insights from a business data, for example. So at that time, Power BI is quite useful. Yes, if you can learn a particular tool in your college, in your degree, it is an added advantage. So I have seen people who don't have an IT degree. For example, I have seen people who have done BBA or MBA or maybe business analytics. They are doing well in data analytics. Some of them, I know they have done some certifications in Power BI or Tableau. So using those certifications, they can show that, okay, we know this tool and we know data visualizations, data cleansing, and those processes. So it proves that, okay, even if you don't know a programming language, still you are eligible to be in the field of data. So when we talk about problem solving in data analytics, it's about implementation of different logics, right? So when we want to solve a particular problem, we can solve that problem using a programming language, or also we can solve the problem using a tool. So, but our main goal should be to solve that problem, right? If you solve that problem, if you achieve that goal, that's it. That's all you want. That's all the company wants, basically. So yes, if you're good in any tool, like any visualization tool, you are good to go. It's a very short and crisp video, so I didn't want to make it too long. If you like this video, definitely give a thumbs up. Thanks, bye-bye.